Module 10, Lesson 7, Using AI for Competitive Analysis. So we discussed before that competitive analysis is trying to see what your competitors are doing and creating strategies around that, whether it's finding keywords that they're using that you're not, so you can create content around that, um, creating, taking a look at their weaknesses. For example, what are their strengths, like the keywords that they're ranking for, um, their link building strategy, and also taking a look at your SEO performance against your competitors and understanding the competitive landscape. So when I first started doing SEO back in the mid 90s, there was no SEO course. It was Wild West days. So I kind of reversed engineered websites where I took a look at competitors and I learned how to do SEO by seeing what they were doing. I analyzed their title tags, meta descriptions, headings, their keyword usage, their backlinks, and I figured out what I needed to do to make my websites and web pages rank better than the competition. So nowadays, competitors are doing SEO, so you just have to continue to monitor the competitors, because if you're outranking them, they're going to see what they need to do to outrank your web page. So a prompt to identify your competitors, you can use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs or other tools like that. But if you wanted to use ChatGPT to analyze your competitors, find out who your competitors are, you can use a prompt like identify the top SEO competitors for my website in whatever keyword or niche you are in. And it'll give you a list of competitors based on its data. You can take a look at your competitors' content strategies. For example, analyze a competitor's URL, put it in there, and as my competitor in the keyword, whatever keyword it is, and provide insights for their keyword uses, content structure, content gaps, and other insights. You can also analyze competitors' content and provide insights for different, maybe a category page or something like that. Not just a specific web page. You can also use it to find other sites that are ranking for the specific keyword you're trying to rank for. So a prompt could be, I want you to find me the top sites that rank highly for the keywords, whatever keywords you want. Present your response as a list with each entry, including the name of the site, the URL, and advice on how to use SEO tactics to rank them. So as part of your activity for competitive analysis, I want you to try to use ChatGPT and use the following prompts. Try this on your own if you have your own website. Or if you don't have your own website, just pick a website randomly and do a prompt, identify the top SEO competitors from a website in this particular, if it's like the massage therapy clinic, in the massage clinic niche or massage therapy niche. That's what I would use, for that example that I previously used. Also try to do individual prompts and group prompts.